Why do I have to go to this stupid court thing today?
Why can't you just get back together?
Why can't you guys leave me out of this?
You know I'm missing art class today because of this.
Can you be with me when the judge talks to me? What if I start crying?
Are you getting divorced because of me?
The Family Law section of the Pennsylvania Bar Association is proud to present the judicial interview of the child. As our section prepared this project, we were mindful that there are very few educational tools, if any, available to guide all the participants on how the judicial interview of children in child custody cases should be conducted. In fact, judges new to family court, many of whom have had no prior professional experience with the in-camera interview, have often noted the absence of available resources. This video contains interviews with seasoned family court judges from across the Commonwealth who will discuss the format of their time-tested child interviewing techniques from their very many years on the bench. We'll also show some model interviews using child actors to demonstrate effective interviewing techniques. Every judge currently serving in Pennsylvania has had an opportunity to participate in this project through a written survey, which is contained in the written materials that accompany this video.
I think the child interview process is a very important one. I started off my practice not interviewing the children because I thought it put the children in the middle, and I thought it was too difficult. And I wanted the children as isolated and removed from the process as I could. I've changed that over the last 4 or 5 years, and I now interview the children every chance I can.
I try to set up a very comfortable little haven for the children where they're going to be able to talk to me and feel comfortable about having to sometimes choose one parent over the other.
I think if you start out and just ask those questions to a child like you would ask a regular witness, I think it's just not going to go anywhere. You're either going to get coached answers or you're not going to get anything. Building that rapport might be the most important thing you need to do.
When you have an older child that really is very, very independent and is very traumatically affected by what has been going on, has strong opinions, there's nothing the judge is going to do that's going to change that child.
The more you can downplay how much what they say matters, the better. So you're not minimizing what they have to say, but you're letting them know that they are a part of what you're considering, but not all. And I think that that takes a huge burden away from children.
I'd like to go in and talk to the parents and say, he told me that he has one wish, and his one wish about custody is that he not feel caught in the middle between the arguments of the two of you.
I think that I would tell a new judge that it is amazing how much the children will give you if you make them feel comfortable, and that you can really find out a whole lot more about a case when the children are involved.
The bottom line is I want them to know that they are still a part of a family, because oftentimes at that age the thought is, I'm not going to have a family. That's what they are most afraid of at that point. At least that's what I believe. And if that's the case, I, as well as their parents, want them to know that the love doesn't stop.
For the children of parents that are experiencing divorce or separation, the day that they must enter a courtroom, walk past both parents, and speak to a judge about some of the most personal aspects of their life is a day that they will always remember. We are hopeful that this program will be used as an essential educational tool for parents, attorneys, and judges as they guide children through this process.